I'd love to be able to do that. I would really love to be able to do that. Drive a tractor and just sit up and down a field all day. That would be me, happy as a pig in muck. Good evening all, and welcome to another bike review during this beautiful mini heatwave that we're having in Derbyshire. I can't help myself but just to get out in it. It's absolutely lovely. So this is to top and tail the Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Explorer. Welcome along, thank you very much for being here. My name is RichyVida. This has been a bike that has grown on me, and a grower is always a good thing. My first ride on it, I thought, oh no, I am going to get so much stick off my review of this bike, as it was looking like it was shaping up to be the same kind of review I made of the Tiger 900 GT Pro. I was thinking, oh, it's in the same bed, the GT Explorer, the GT Pro. I'm thinking, oh, this is going to go down like a fart in a lift. Saw that it had got Metzeler Torrance Next tyres on. Oh no, don't do this to me. And it was slightly damp, cold, and I gave the bike about half an hour's ride. I just thought, gutted. I really wanted it to be a great bike. Didn't feel connected with the road. It rattled, the gearbox felt baggy, clunky. I don't know if I'd had a bad day or what, but anyway, I took it straight home, put it straight back in the garage, and then midweek, I got the bike back out. I thought, it's a lovely sunset night, I'm going to have another go. Even if the bike's crap, I get some nice sunset shots, and I did get some really lovely sunset shots. And the bike then, completely different. I'd even spoke to the boys who were asking me about it, Egon and Gaz, how do you find the Tiger? And I'm like, it's rubbish. I'm gutted that it's rubbish. They were gutted because they both equally thought it were going to be great. Anyway, I spent the evening on it, and I didn't film actually, and I should have bloody done, because you would have got my natural feeling of the bike. But now all I can do is reference back some photos and tell you about it. I did take some really cool Insta footage though. But yeah, I'll tell you, this is one hell of a quick bike. When you get it up there, it's very quick. It's one of the fastest adventure bikes I've ridden, and that's saying something, you know. The V4S, the Super Adventure R, they're very, very quick bikes. This is also very quick. Very, very, very quick. To me, it feels on par with those bikes, and that is, bloody hell, that's esteemed company. It just feels bloody fantastic. I'm getting used to the quick shifter now, and okay, there is a bit of travel with the gear lever, but you get used to it. It's got this flappy thing here, look. Not bother connecting any phones or anything, I just use my Ultimate Add-ons case there for my phone and navigation. So I did take it to Manchester for the day. I went to visit the guys at My Moto for a chat, and I thought, I'm going to take the Tiger. And again, I fell for it. Went all the way over the peaks, the cracking route. There's no denying this is a great bike, a really great bike actually. It's shocked me, and I'm just so glad that I stuck with it, because it's warmed to me even more, and because of that it's made me like it even more, because it was not an instant like get on and wallop, you know. It looks great. It's got these amazing mirrors for the radar system behind, so when someone's in your blind spot, your mirrors light up. It's fantastic. That is, really is fantastic. I wish I could pinch these mirrors for my Africa Twin, because I love them. Oh, let's go up this way. Now, I'm yet to try the rally version, the Rally Explorer, which is the more off-road version. And I'm not sure if any of you saw that, but back in during COVID, when I did the 900 GT Pro review and hated it, I kind of put myself down to the thought that it's because we were in COVID and I was probably miserable and feeling crap, as we all were, and you know, my mood probably wasn't what it should have been. So that's what I put that down to. And then Then I rode the Rally Pro 900 and loved it. Again, I don't know if I was in a better mood or whatever, but because I love this GT Explorer so much, I'm kind of hoping that the Rally is even more tailored to my taste. As some of you know, I love off-roading, I love adventure bikes, and obviously the Rally version has got the spoked wheels and the 21-inch front. If I can stick it up here, quietly out of the way. I'm not going to go off-roading or anything, I'm not trying to be a rumman. If the farmer doesn't come and shoot me, I'm just wanting some photos. She's a bit mucky. It's got the shaft drive. This is the nitrous oxide that shoots spunk into the engine to, when you get to about 160 mile an hour, that kicks in and takes you up above 200. It's really cool. Heated seats, front and rear. It's got these silly DIN sockets. Heated seats, front and rear, amazing. Heated grips, obviously. All operatable from here. Backlit switchgear. This is the rear radar module. The exhaust looks nice. It's got shower forks. Yes, I'm very impressed with this. It goes like stink. Oh, this, for anyone wanting to know, easily the most comfortable strap I've ever had. PGY Tech. Can't get it off. Press your little button. Comes straight off. And just pop it straight in. That's it. You, any fellow DSLRers, yeah, that's a winner, that is. And I have a link for it down in the description below. As I do the SW Motec bag, should you fancy one of those. I absolutely love this bag because it flits from bike to bike when I'm on different bikes all the time. It enables me to have my DSLR with me. Yeah, fits lovely on any bike. These lashing straps are so easy. Look, see that little hook there? Pull it in, tighten her up. Good. SW Motec Pro rear bag. I've had a little bit of a boo-boo with it, spoilt it a little bit, but still does the job. And ultimate add-ons, phone cases. Again, when I'm on these different press bikes, I just use this little clip. You can attach them so easily to different bikes. Dead easy. Turn her on. See the mirrors? Yeah, the hill hold is great as well. It goes on when you activate it and it stays on until you deactivate it, which I think is brilliant. Some other manufacturers do the same kind of thing, but it stays activated for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. And I think a lot of cars do that as well. But yeah, this stays on until you take it off. I really like that. Use it more as a handbrake kind of thing. You got all your rider aids, switchable traction control. Bloody great. Interlock brakes massaging my foot there. I like that nice little massage on my foot when the anti-lock brakes are working. It's like going, ooh, ooh, ooh. There'll be some more details in the description down below. More tech bits and price and all that kind of stuff. Please do check it out. Oh, I'm going to miss this. I'd like to have had this for a bit longer actually. To, you know, get more acquainted with it and more comfortable and familiar. But, so if I can get my mitts on the Rally Explorer as well. I'm very surprised and pleasantly at just how quick this bike is. keyless ignition, 500 litre tank. I think that's about 30 actually in real life. For what it's worth, this is a very glowing report from me on the Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Explorer. Many thanks to Triumph for flirting it my way. Please do flirt me the Rally Explorer too, if at all possible. And if you could leave it with me for a few months or something, that'd be great. Well, there you go. I hope it's answered some questions for you. Thanks very much for watching. I've been RichyVida. I'll see you on another one sometime soon. All the best. Be good, be careful, and be kind. See you later.